We'll guide you through how to make Roblox icon Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your desktop's Windows Start menu and use the taskbar search function to locate Google Chrome. Once the browser appears in the search results, run the Google Chrome application. After the browser opens, enter Figma into the search bar and navigate to the official Figma website. Before continuing, confirm that your Figma account is already logged in. Allow the Figma homepage to fully load on your screen. Then create and select a new project. Once the file is opened, the edit page of a new project will appear and display a blank canvas. Next, open the folder containing the Roblox icon image on your computer. Click and hold the image, then drag and drop it onto the Figma canvas so it can be used as a visual reference. After placing the image, press R on your keyboard to activate the rectangle tool. Draw the background box that is approximately the same size as the sample Roblox logo. Once the shape is created, use the sample color tool to pick and apply the same color used in the original logo. Next, press R again to draw a second rectangle. Position it above the background shape and rotate it slightly to the right by entering a value of around -15 degrees in the rotation field. After adjusting the angle, duplicate the tilted rectangle by pressing Ctrl+D. Resize the duplicated shape so it becomes smaller and hold the Shift key while resizing to maintain its original proportions. When both tilted rectangles are positioned correctly, select them together and choose the subtract operation. This will create the cutout effect found in the Roblox logo. After performing the subtraction, use the sample color tool again to match the original logo color. Finally, select all the elements you have created, including the background and subtracted shape. Right-click the selection and choose Frame Selection to organize everything into a single frame